Viking Pump is the premier partner for original equipment manufacturers in the cooking oil market. With products and experience across many applications, Viking Pump has solutions to meet any manufacturer's pumping needs. Viking Pump has supplied positive displacement pumps for OEMs that create products for oil reclamation and transfer, oil filter carts, open vat fryers, and pressure fryers. SG Series external gear pumps are ideal across all of these applications. They have a high suction capacity, have single or bidirectional flow, have hardened steel gears and shafts, and have optional integral relief valves and weep grooves. GR Series gerotor pumps have superior solids handling, single directional flow, quiet operation, and an optional weep groove. These pumps excel in open fryer and pressure fryer applications. Viking Pump also offers a flexible motor to match a variety of pump orientations, and the small footprint saves space when assembled into a unit. They are rated for both 60 and 50 Hz applications, allowing for global product offering. And finally, with a large number of motors on hand, orders can be filled quickly. And we've got you covered with a wide variety of other PD pump technologies, giving you flexibility in designs and application. Products aside, Viking Pump's most important offering is what we call the Viking Pump Advantage. When partnering with Viking Pump, you are getting access to dedicated inside and outside sales support that will respond to most questions within just 2 hours. Our vertically integrated supply chain gives us the ability to maintain industry-best lead times, which in turn gives you more control. And finally, we give you peace of mind. We are so confident in our products that we carry a standard 18-month warranty, which is 50% longer than the competition. So let's talk. Viking Pump is looking to partner with creative manufacturers that want to deliver unique and useful cooking oil solutions for their customers. Visit our website to see how we can deliver for you.